Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. You're tuning in to Salvage Motorsports. I'm your host, Chris, and today our videos on a twin turbo stealth oil pan reseal and rear main seal replacement. This is a first-person view courtesy of the one and only Rodney of Salvage Motorsports. Give it up for him. Let's get started. We already got the car on the lift and are getting the car ready for a clutch replacement also. So we've already removed the transmission.
Set it wherever.
Pro tip, drain the oil pan first. Time to remove the block to transmission bracket. Let's get this thing off of here. All right, we're gonna speed this up a little and get through this process a bit quicker for the video. And after that, it's time to remove the oil pan. Gotta get all the bolts off. It's a bit tedious, but worth it.
We found it in the river there. Oh yeah, thanks.
Gotta hit it with Thor's hammer until the sound changes. There you go. Great success. Good work, Rodney. And now we'll swap out the rear main seal. This is a good idea since you're already right there and it's easy to do. Don't want this thing leaking. Future-proof it so you don't have to do the work twice or in the near and immediate future. Let's go! Now we have to clean the block and oil pan surface. You'll want to take your time and make sure you're doing a good job here so that the surface is sealed properly. Don't want any leaks. Once the surfaces are clean with gold sealant, we'll take the rear main seal and put the genuine Mitsubishi sealant on it. We only use the good stuff here at Salvage Motorsports. No cutting corners here. Absolutely not. You'll want to take your time and make sure the sealant is on good here. Try not to rush through this process. I find it therapeutic. Once all the sealant's on, we can now put the rear main seal and oil pan back on. Put the pan and bolts up so it's snug. Then we typically fully tighten them the next day to ensure a proper seal. This oil pan ain't going nowhere. Voila! Once all this is back together, then we'll have successfully completed an oil pan reseal and a rear main seal replacement. Thanks for tuning in. This is Salvage Motorsports. Peace out. Hope this video helps. Cheers, YouTube. Until tomorrow, adios.